get personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Now gurus and new she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs. Okay, today's video is gonna be a little something different. Now this is a video that I actually meant to come out like way earlier, honey. I was going to do this video with my natural hair, and if you see my vlog, then I talked about it in there about why I didn't. If you haven't, child, check out that vlog. Okay, so this is a get ready with me, and I wanted it to be a fall one, hence the pumpkins in the background, girl. But technically it is still fall, but it feels more winter because it's December. So child, it just depends on what you want to consider it. I doubt I could call this video a fall get ready with me, but the color scheme and all of that I went with was because it was supposed to be fall. So y'all, I'm not gonna really talk about the products that I am using because they are listed on the screen, honey. Y'all be giving me a hard time with the products even when they're listed on the screen. So I was like, listen girl, I'm gonna put the picture up there, okay? I'm gonna put the picture up there so you can't say that you don't see it. So I do have the picture up there. I am going to talk about some of the colors, like if it's something that I didn't mention, like the color on there. Probably none of them, girl. Okay, let's keep it real. I never know what color I'm actually using. But this Born This Way concealer that I'm using is in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm going to try to like kind of tell you guys the colors because they won't be on the screen because I suck, okay? Now this setting powder that I'm using, it is my favorite, y'all, and I am running out, so the struggle has been real, girl. I have been so sick because I don't have any more of it. I love this stuff, but this is Juvia's Place setting powder. It is in the shade Kalahari. And I am now going into this ABH Luminous Foundation, and I do wear this foundation in the shade 370, and it's also going to be shade that I'm going to wear on my face. I always like to put foundation on top of my brow so you don't have that like halo effect. So I always like to do that. Now this Morphe palette that I am using, hold on girl, give me a minute, let me see, can I find it? Okay, so this palette is the 350M palette, and this is like one of my favorite palettes to use for fall. It is really inexpensive. I know it's an oldie, but honey, in my Nitra B voice, it's an oldie but a goodie, girl, okay? I love this palette because it's really great for creating warm looks, you know? As you can see from the palette, it's just a very warm palette. Now your girl is not a beauty guru, okay? Makeup and stuff is not my forte. Especially shadows, y'all. I'm really not good at shadows, and I basically only wear bronzer on my eyelids, or I'll do an orangey color like this or some sort of bronze color. But I was like, let me try to add a little, you know, finesse it a little bit for you guys. But child, let's be honest, it's basically the same color scheme y'all always use. But I did think I was finessing it, okay? I was wrong, but I did think I was. So don't be mad at me, girl. I thought I was doing something, okay? But anyway, so yeah, I really love this palette, and I think it is really, to me, it's beginner friendly because I feel like for black girls, it's easier to work with warmer colors. Well, in my opinion, it's easier for me to work with warmer colors like than any other, like cooler colors they always turn out a mess on me. I don't know, maybe it's just because I suck, okay? But I do feel like warmer colors are just really easier, like much easier to work with. Okay, so this eyeliner, honey, this eyeliner is bae. Like if you've been watching me for a minute, especially if you've been watching my get ready with me type videos, y'all, this eyeliner is everything, girl, okay? Now I'm still no pro at making a wing liner, but is that how you say it? Anyways, I'm not good at doing wings on my eyelids, period. But when I bought this eyeliner, it made it a whole lot easier. So if you want to wear a wing, honey, are they even in anymore, girl? Somebody let me know if wings are even in anymore. But girl, I learned how to do it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay, I literally, anytime I wear makeup, I do a wing because I struggle to do a wing for so long that once I learn how, honey, that's all I'm gonna do. I don't care if it's out of style. I'm gonna be like those women that still wear jerry curls, okay? I'm gonna be that girl. I love a good wing eyeliner. So that is what I'm using, this NYX eyeliner for that. And then I'm going into my Lily Lashes mascara. And honey, this is my eyelash bag. I don't know why I have an eyelash bag because really I only wear these eyelashes right here, and they are from Amazon. I do have a direct link to them down below in the description box, so check it out, girl. I do plan on finding some eyelashes to sell, but those ain't it, girl, okay? Those are not it. Those are from Amazon, but I love those lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to this foundation. This is the ABH Luminous Foundation. Now, another thing, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I have dry skin. Even though lately it has become a lot more oily, I do have very, very dry skin. Sorry, y'all, my phone just went off. If you heard it, honey, it's not yours, it's mine. But anyways, I do have pretty dry skin. And this foundation is light, honey, and I love the shade. Like, usually I have to mix foundations, but since I found this particular foundation, I don't have to mix it. I can literally use this one foundation, and honey, she has taken place of my NARS, honey. And you know my NARS Sheer Glow was bae in the shade Tahoe, but this is my new bae, and it's by ABH, like I said, and it's in the shade 370W. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Ain't nobody replaced her yet, okay? Nobody has replaced her yet. She is bae for me. And this is the Tarte Double Duty Concealer, Shape Tape, whatever. It is in the shade 37G Medium Tan Golden. I love this concealer. Honey, she's bae. I always use this concealer. Now we're going into my setting powder, and as I stated, this is by Juvia's Place. I love it. So I set my concealer with that, and then after I set my concealer, I went into my Sephora Micro Smooth, which is also bae, honey. Okay, also bae, to dust that off. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Fenty Beauty, what is that, setting powder? What shade is that in, child? Hold on, girl. Let me see what shade she's in. Honey, she's in the shade Honey. So I don't brighten or, you know, put that under, I don't set my, what is that, my under eyes with it. I just do it on the rest of my face because it's the same shade as me. So honey, they ain't gonna do me no good, honey, when I want to be brightened. So I can't use it, but I do plan on finding, I think it's the banana one, and using it. But honey, I hadn't made to Sephora to buy it, girl. I just haven't. Okay, so this right here, this palette is the Nesting Bee Face palette, girl. I love the name of it. Okay, I think it's by Pretty Vulgar, which I think is pretty appropriate, girl. And I am basically setting that bronzer, what is that? That contour. I'm setting it with that bronzer, and then I'm going into my Fenty Beauty bronzer on top of that bronzer. Girl, I love bronzer. Don't you judge me. Now, this is just a random eyeliner that I am using because I didn't want to use a jet black eyeliner like I usually do. So instead, I'm going into this Bodyography eyeliner, and it's in like a brown color. I don't know if it looks black, but it's not, girl. Okay, she's not. Okay, so then I'm going back into that, I think that's the Nesting Bee Face palette, and I'm putting on that blush. Then we're going back into the Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I put some brown eyeshadow underneath my eyes. And then we're going to set all that, girl, with some Morphe spray. And then we're going to apply highlighter. Child, didn't she circle the wrong thing? I don't know. If I circled the wrong thing, lo siento, okay? I went into the highlighter, not the bronzer. I don't know why I circled the wrong thing, honey. Don't judge me, girl, okay? She been going through it, okay? She ain't all there. Don't you judge me. So then I'm going back into the Lily Lashes mascara, and I am applying it to my bottom lashes. And then we're going to go into this Hank and Henry eyeliner, girl, okay? And this is girl, can you talk? This is in the color Blickety Black. I just like to say that. I wanted to say that, so yeah. And then we're going to go into this NYX lip liner. And I'm not sure what color this is. My favorite color is Urban Cafe, and I think I just couldn't find it, so I used that one. And then we're going to go into this Colored Rain lipstick, and it is bomb, y'all. I love this lipstick. It's my new favorite. And I think that is basically it, y'all, okay? I got to put my hair on my head and all that good stuff. And I'm going to be wearing the wig Sensational Anita. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my rambling. And I will see you love us next time. Oh, honey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Okay? Nah, I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, y'all, so this is the full outfit, and I just got on some boots that I don't actually like with it. I actually got this outfit from Fashion Nova. They didn't come together, obviously, but I got the top and the bottoms from Fashion Nova. My issue with the bottoms, though, is that it shows, because this is a bodysuit, this sweater, but it shows the bodysuit part right here, and I don't like that. Like, that is my biggest issue with the bottoms. And so yeah, I got these booties from Walmart, and I don't like them. They're not the booties that I actually wanted, but they were the only ones that they had in my size. I'm a big foot gal, if you can't tell, so I don't like them. And it's just a random purse, like nothing special about this purse. It's a purse that I got from TJ Maxx a while back. I don't actually really wear it. I mostly wear my crossbody purse, but whatever. And okay, as far as the glasses, these are actual prescription glasses, honey. I don't know if you know it or not, or if you think I wear contacts for cosmetic reasons, but I actually cannot see a thing, honey. I just can't see. So I did get these glasses. They were like $20-something. I got them from Firmoo, I think I got them from Firmoo. Yeah, so they are actually prescriptions. And this hat is a hat that I got off Amazon. I have been wearing this hat a lot. I feel like it's so versatile. I get a lot of wear out of this hat, and I love it. But yeah, I got it from Amazon. Remind me, if I don't, to put a link down below in the description box in case you guys would like to buy one of these hats. Keep in mind, the link is an affiliate link, so if you don't want me to get no coins, girl, don't click it, okay? But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you lovebugs next time. Bye.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and